Hello. Sorry about that. This is me cleaning a filter from a Hoover wind tunnel. These are filters that you're not supposed to get wet. And I've been trying to figure out how to clean them, and this is a standard utensil for scrubbing. So what I'm going to do is just go along the little, not too hard, just gently scrub the, I already cleaned it a little bit, it was pretty bad. Just gently go along the runners and bring the dirt out. And you can get it pretty clean. I always didn't enjoy cleaning these because it was always hard to get their dirt out. So what I used to do was I would wash them with water. And the problem with washing them in water is they get wet. So you don't want to get these wet. They'll dry out. I mean, you can reuse them, but there's mold issues with the filter getting moldy, and you don't want mold in your vacuum cleaner. So the best thing to do is just gently scrub them with a little cleaning brush, and then knock the dirt out. Not too hard, because you'll break the filter. There's filter glue. Filter's glued at the ends, and you'll break that glue if you hit it too hard. It's just a matter of cleaning the dirt out of it. You can feel it getting lighter as you clean it. The performance level of your vacuum cleaner will come up, and just check the grooves for dirt, and you can see that they're pretty clean. I'm going to call this cleaned and put it back in. But that's how you clean a Hoover wind tunnel filter, so that you don't have to buy a new one and then just pour the stuff down the sink. You don't want to stop up your sink either, but this is just very fine powder. It's not big chunks. I'm not pouring the contents of the vacuum cleaner down the sink, just the dust particles. does it. That is how to clean a Hoover wind tunnel filter with a standard dishwashing brush.